Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. A few months ago I tried an experiment in which I chopped an olive plant right down to the base. These are the remnants of the trunk here in my hands. And the objective was to see just how brutal you could be with an olive plant and whether it would grow back or not, because I know that they can grow back from the base. That was a few months ago. This video is the results of that experiment. Now, not all experiments result in success, but you always succeed in learning something. I got quite excited about 4 or 5 weeks ago with this because it was starting to show signs of life. There were little green nodules coming out of the base, but nothing's happened since. I'm going to bring the camera in quite close so that you can see what's going on down here at the base of this olive, if anything. And if I can't see anything now at this stage, which is 2 months later, I'm going to give up on it because I want this pot for this Cyathea cooperi here. So let's bring the camera in, see what we can see. You will be able to see the original video on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it in the description box below this video. I'm just very carefully scraping away the gravel from around the base to see if there's any signs of life whatsoever. At the moment, all I can see are woodlice, which is not a good sign. Been kept in a sunny position, quite warm. Let's go a bit further down. This gravel's getting in the way a little bit. I put these little skewers in so I could put marks in for, I was going to do a time lapse, but it never worked out. Anyway, let's keep digging and see what we can find down here. And sadly, I think the answer is on this occasion, nothing. This has been a failure. Let's just uproot it. No signs of life there whatsoever. That there is one of the little nodules that was green, and it looked like it started growing, but nothing's happened since. I wonder if I get my loppers and just cut down to there and see if there's any green in this stalk whatsoever. I should go and get my loppers now and we'll cut into that and see if there's any evidence of life. Let's start a bit further up the trunk. Now that's dead. That is also dead. And that also looks dead. I think we can safely assume that this olive has given up on us. There's no evidence of any life in there. Now that's not to say this experiment would never work. If you tried it, it might do. I want this pot for the Cyathea cooperi. See if there's any green matter in any of these roots, or are these also dead? They're not looking particularly hopeful, I'll be honest with you. Nope. It's a goner. Yes, I think we can say goodbye to that little olive plant, unfortunately. Fortunately, it didn't cost me a lot of money. I rescued it. I think I got it reduced for about £7, and I've had a couple of years out of it. You live and learn, don't you? I might just pop that in a plastic pot in some compost and just leave it sit somewhere, and if I do get a miracle, I'll let you know. But there we go, there's the results of my olive tree experiment, and it was called Off With Its Head, so I'll put the link to the original video in the description box below this one. Please don't forget, if you don't mind, have a quick look at my Amazon storefront where you can buy all my tools. Every penny I make goes straight back into my garden projects. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for some more gardening adventures. Bye for now.